Hi guys, this is your learning coach Vinod. I'm going to show you how to play Kahoot right now. So what you're going to do is when you're going to log into my YouTube page, you're going to be seeing this screen. So can you show the screen? Okay, this screen is what you're going to say. It says log into kahoot.it. Okay, so and enter the game pin. What I recommend is probably you will use two devices. So one device where you're going to see the questions, okay, and another device where you're going to answer. So what you're going to do now is you're going to go into your Chrome or any kind of a browser and you're going to type kahoot.it. When you type down kahoot.it, it's going to ask for the game pin. I'm going to write down this game pin 2771069. For every game is going to be a different game pin, and as soon as I enter my game pin, it's going to ask me for my credentials, my nickname. I'm gonna enter it as learning coach. Okay, and I'm gonna click enter. As soon as I enter, you can see in my screen I have entered the gameplay. Okay, so we'll wait for more people to join, and as soon as people join, what we are going to do is I'm going to click on start. And when I click on start, as you see, we are going to play a brain teaser. So this is a demo game. So this is not exactly what we will be playing. The question would be seen in my screen. Okay, the question will be in my screen, and only the answers will be there in my mobile phone screen. So in one device you will see the questions, and in the other device you will be answering those questions. So it says a rooster laid an egg on the top of the roof. Which way did it roll? So when it's in the top of the roof, it will roll down, but it didn't. Okay, roosters don't lay eggs. That's the right answer. So you have a timer for every question. So let me go to the next question. You have a timer for every question, and as soon as the timer is up, you will not be able to answer. So when the question comes up on screen, I have the answers here. I can just choose the answer. As you see, there is a timer going on. Before the timer runs out, you should be able to answer the question. So I'm just going to click on some answer. Okay, that's wrong answer. So you see the right answer over here comes up in the next screen, and this is how you play. So just in case if you are using a desktop to play this, okay, you are not using a mobile phone, you can use two mobile phones to do that. If you are using a desktop, you can also play this in two separate windows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to kahoot.it in my desktop, and I'm going to take it out as a separate page. I'm going to have this page as a separate page, both of it right next to each other. So I'm going to enter the game pin. You can find the game pin here. If you are joining the game late in the time, you can find the game pin here. So I'm going to enter the game pin 2771069. Okay, and I'm going to enter. Let me enter down with my name here, Vinod. Okay, so I am here in the game. So when I click on next question, so wow. So when I click on next question, I have my third question here. So how much dirt is there in a 3 feet deep, 6 feet long and 4 feet wide? Okay, so I can choose whatever answers that I want over here. So if you are playing in a desktop, you can use the same desktop and play. But if you are playing in a mobile phone, since you will not be able to log in between YouTube and looking at the video, it's not possible to do it. So I recommend you to use two devices. And remember, when we are playing a Kahoot, it's not about just answering. Okay, so I'll tell you what are the technologies involved. So to stream the questions to you live, I use the streaming services, and then there is YouTube from my end. There is network connectivity from my end, and then you have your network bandwidth. You have your YouTube speeds, and then you have your other mobile where connectivity would happen. So there are a lot of things that can go wrong during the Kahoot session. So what I recommend you is that come down to a place where you have good connectivity so that you can connect and play the Kahoot well. And this is no trophy or something like that which we want to encourage. So what we are trying to do here is trying to have some fun. So take it in a light vein, try to participate as much as you can. Even if you can log in only at the 20th question, I want you to log in and try to answer 5 more questions, interact with others in the group and have fun. Okay, so see you soon in the Kahoot session. This is your learning coach Vinod Kumar signing off.